According to the scientific literature, high-quality training volume is the most important determinant of muscle growth. However, the specific amount of volume that works for one person may not work for another person. Everybody is different and has a different sweet spot of volume they respond best to. The Science of Sculpture app can revolutionize the way you train and help you find the perfect amount of quality volume that helps you build muscle faster than ever before. Let's start in the exercise section. Each exercise has a preset value of how it overloads your muscles. For example, if we select deadlifts, we can see deadlifts involves your abs, back, rear delts, forearms, glutes, hamstrings, quads, and traps. The number beside the muscle group is how much load will be distributed to that muscle group when you lift. For example, if you deadlift 100 pounds, 1% of the load will be distributed to your abs, meaning 1 pound will be loaded onto your abs for every rep you perform. 69% of the load will be distributed to your back, and so on until you've reached 100% of the weight lifted. How do you know the exact percent of how much each exercise overloads each muscle group? You don't. There's no right or wrong answer because we're all built different, we have slightly different lifting techniques, and we feel exercises differently. Therefore, you can adjust how each exercise overloads your muscles based on how you feel it. You can also add or subtract muscle groups so each exercise is perfectly tailored to fit your specific lifting technique and body. Now, let's put the scientific theory in motion by recording workouts. We record workouts in the training section. To start a workout, click the plus button in the bottom right corner. Next, search for the exercise you want to perform. You can type in the name of the exercise, search by equipment type, or search by muscle group you want to train. The equipment feature is great if you're training in a hotel gym, home gym, or somewhere with limited equipment availability. Let's say we want to start a back workout by performing deadlifts. Immediately, we see a bar below the exercise picture that corresponds to how much the exercise loads your muscles. This is what we edited in the exercise section. Next, we can add reps, weight lifted, record rest intervals, and add sets. You can record your rest intervals by either tapping the stopwatch or manually entering a rest interval. Below the rest interval timer, you can see what you did the last time you performed that exercise. Knowing exactly what you did before allows you to train smarter and harder. There's no need to carry around a logbook anymore because this makes recording workouts so much easier, more efficient, and detailed. Complete the workout by adding exercises until you're done. Let's now examine the most important variable that determines how we'll grow from that workout: quality volume. When we go to the Analyze section and select Training, we can see our history of workout quality, intensity, and sets relative to the norm, which we record in the Data Hub. We can also see our volume, which is how much weight we overloaded our muscles with during our workout. Based on the workout we just did an example of, we can see how much of that weight was distributed to our muscle groups, in particular our back, biceps, and rear delts, since it was a back-oriented workout. Every rep, set, and weight lifted was loaded onto your muscle groups. The calculations are done for you. You don't have to do a thing besides record your workouts and train hard. If you get in the habit of logging your workouts in the training section and filling out your information in the Data Hub, you can begin to spot trends in the monthly and yearly graphs. Compare your training volume to your progress pics so you know exactly how to train each of your muscle groups strategically so you can look your best. This app will give you more in-depth understanding of how you train, look, and perform than any other fitness tool in the world. This is where your frustrations and plateaus go to die. This is where you learn exactly how to train smarter and harder than ever before. This is where you discover the most confident version of yourself. This is the fitness app that can change your life. Let's get working.